Today is the big day. To think how far plunge we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles and triumphs, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's enjoy this majestic journey this institution had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow.
Good morning to one and all present here and to the ones who are watching us live. The audience and viewers, functions give colors to life. They are a necessary part of our social life, and we are finally here once again to celebrate a very special function of our institution, the 5th Annual Day function. On behalf of the Chairman, Manager, Principal, Vice Principal, Management, Star Public School staff, and students, I take this grand opportunity to extend my warmest welcome to each and everyone watching us live on this very auspicious moment in a spectacular morning. This moment is special for us, and we all are gathered here for the day to make it more important. This moment is special for us as, in view of the pandemic crisis, our school management decided to conduct the event online this year to kindle the spirit of togetherness and encourage students to showcase their talents despite the difficult times. Before the launch, let me first acknowledge the presence of our eminent guest watching us, Shri G.M. Krishna, CMO Star Cement, Shri Tejveer Singh, Administrator, Star Cement, Shri S.P. Srimali Ji, Unit Head, SCL, Mr. Devendra Bansal, Resident Director, SCL, Mr. Pradeep Purohit, Chairman, SMC, Madam Neetu Bansal, Manager, CMCL, Vidya Bharati School.
Dear viewers, light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of might, similarly, blessing brings in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this morning a blessed one, let us invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. For seeking the choicest blessing for the same, I invite our admirable Principal, Mr. K. Dilip Kumar, Vice Principal, Madam Vidya Singh, to accompany our guests and dignitaries to the auspicious lamp ceremony.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, without taking much of your time, permit us to start the program. As the heartbeats of the performers have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, songs, lights, and joy. Well, here you are. Today, we will have a rainbow of programs to entertain ourselves with the enthralling performances of our participants. So please put your hands together to welcome the first performance of this wonderful morning. Here comes a group of students to draw the strings of our hearts and add their soothing voice to cherish our souls by chanting a beautiful welcome song.
Thank you, children, for that wonderful song. Dear audience, a leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and take those who follow to great heights. It will be an injustice to proceed to the event without calling upon our wings of flight, our pillar of strength, and our constant support of motivation. We cordially invite our principal, Mr. K. Dilip Kumar, to accept this token of gratitude to please come up to the stage and present the annual report of the school.
Good morning and welcome to all online viewers and school community. respected Sri Pradeep Purohit sir, Chairman, School Management Committee, Mrs. Neetu Bansal ma'am, Manager, School Management Committee, special guest, Dr. Ajay Pal Sharma ji, Sri Mali sir, Devender sir, and all the senior management from Star Cement Company. Dear parents and students, I extend my heartiest welcome to all of you on annual day celebration Rejuvenation 2020. First of all, I must compliment all parents, teachers, and students that they adapted to online teaching and learning so quickly to meet the academic goal in the backdrop of restriction enforced to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. My congratulations to all the faculty members for quickly getting equipped with the time and technology. Not only in the field of instruction, but also in the field of equipping yourself, enhancing your credentials. Most of us enrolled for many national and international universities and CBSE platform Diksha. I must also congratulate all the parents who were part of the new normal online classes. Some of the parents has time and again conveyed me that they are not only attending online classes, rather they are enjoying the various activities offered by the school like Manga High and all other challenges in order to develop scientific and mathematical temperament among students. Our students brought laurel to the school in various academic, scholastic and co-scholastic sphere. Not only school level or regional level, they participated in national and international levels. Our board result has been satisfactory, and I would like to inform you that now our alumni are getting into some of the good universities in India. Recently, Muhammad Hafizul Ali was awarded 100% scholarship for undergraduate program at the prestigious Assam Downtown University, Guwahati. We are CBSE affiliated school and we always insist on activities-based learning and interactive classrooms. And during this pandemic, also we strive for the best. We worked hard and we got full cooperation for school management, parents, children and teachers. I am happy to inform you that the school has got renewal of its application till 2025. Our students are still participating, but in online way. Terry We are still a member of Green School Audit Program, Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, Green Olympiad, PN Pannikar Vigyan Vikas Kendra, supported by Niti Aayog and Ministry of Education, Government of India. All India Drawing and Painting Competition, Danisha Khorbal of Class 6 got selected for a state level Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, and Neha Kushwaha has secured third prize in open art competition at zonal level by PN Pannikar Foundation. Till date, the school has conducted 4 PTMs during this year. This was conducted in online mode. This gives an opportunity for parent and teacher to share their concern about the students' academic, co-curricular, behavioral issue and to help the child grow in balanced way. Not only in the field of academics, activities, emotional well-being, we have also conducted workshop and training program for students and parents as well, with the help of Fortis Hospital, New Delhi. We have also started, and this became, during this COVID, this became a boon. We have interacted, our students, faculty members, they got an opportunity to interact with various prominent personality from different part of the world. I want to congratulate Star Public School fraternity for their selfless contribution to make this school, a great place to remember. I want to extend my gratitude to Sri Pradeep Purohit ji, Chairman, SMC, Sri Devendra Bansal ji, Founder Chairman of the school, Sri SP Srimali ji, Unit Head, Mrs. Neetu Bansal, School Manager, and all other HOD for their continuous support. I am extremely thankful to our parents for showing their trust in Star Public School. In future time, all the students will be provided more facility and opportunity to excel in their scholastic and co-scholastic concern. I am proud for the students and parents who are part of Star Public School. And last, I would like to conclude by saying, quoting Swami Vivekananda, famous quote, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." It is taken from Upanishads, which says, "Uttishtata, Jagrata, Prapya, Brani, Bodhyata." Very much similar to our theme for this year, Rejuvenation 2020. We will fight, we will defeat, we will come up. We will be together in this difficult time and coming time ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for helping the school to achieve such heights in your presence. Dear audience, Lord Ganesha is the symbol of knowledge, and he is also called as Vignaharta, means one who clears the obstacles in the path. We pray to God, Lord Ganesha, that he makes this event successful and bless us. We request him to grace us so that this event completes without any obstacles. Now, allow me to welcome our next performing group on the stage, students from grade 2 to 9 who are all set to express their love for Ganpati and invoke him through dance and music. So students, the stage is all yours.
रिद्धि सिद्धि वृद्धि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होती चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, जोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज को अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निज दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव कांगण मंदिर चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे, प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंद पूजन भावे वायन म्हणे नमा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या शरणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावा, करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं राम नारायणं दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि, श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिका वल्लभं जानकी नायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे।
That was great. We loved the musicality of the dance. Your movements captured the essence of the music. It was really a beautiful performance. Now, we have yet another performance to be performed by Tiny Tots, which perhaps is one of the best performances you will see this morning. So hold your breath and please welcome the Tiny Tots of Star Public School to enthrall you with their rhythmic moods.
दबा के अंगूठा बना
such a graceful performance. It was really pleasure watching such little children performing with a lot of confidence. Now it's time to have a few words of encouragement from Madam Neetu Bansal, Manager, Star Public School.
A very good morning to all, honorable guests, parents and dear students. It takes immense pleasure for me to welcome you all to the 15th School Annual Day celebrations. Unlike previous years, celebrations has been restricted to virtual medium this year. Star Public School, formerly known as CMCL Vidya Bharati School, was established not only to facilitate the region with a good school for offering 100% fee concessions and scholarships to the community students as a part of social responsibility. The school is nestled in an eco-friendly environment. It incorporates CBSE curriculum that enhances the inherent curiosity to foster learning among students. With the completion of 15 years of our journey, Star Public School has placed itself since its inception in the voyage of the discovery of excellence in the field of education. We have reached this point to announce the success stories we have gathered, the various learning experiences which taught us to become more effective and efficient. We are pleased to announce that Star Public School has scored 260th rank in All India Co-ed Day Schools in Education World Rankings 2020 and second rank in Meghalaya State. The school is a place to showcase the elegance of learning. A lot of brainstorming opened ways in designing the school, be it the unique architecture, ventilated and spacious classrooms, beautiful landscaping, digital boards, science and maths lab, computer lab, English language lab, library, music and dance studios, multipurpose hall, and many more that children experience with lot of enthusiasm and curiosity. Safety of the children being the utmost priority, our school has installed 50 CCTV cameras all around the school to keep the whole campus under safe surveillance. Apart from preparing the children to qualify for purely academic demands, special efforts are being made continuously to enable them to face the challenge of the competitive world. It's a matter of great importance to us that our students who pass out from our institution should carry forward the culture they have inherited, imbibe values they have practiced in school, and excel in whatever they do and be the role models in the society. The execution of any event, celebrations, health and fitness awareness programs, and systematic academic approaches is all just possible only with the commitment of our teachers and very equal participation of all the dear parents, particularly during this year of COVID, where they have participated in learning at home. Our school had made a decision to implement National Education Policy 2020 for national benchmarking and standards, par excellence in content, delivery, assessments, and professional development of the faculty. Teacher training programs are organized and conducted from time to time to rejuvenate ourselves and update with the changes in teaching methodologies and curriculum framework. New teaching techniques are introduced as a part of upgrading ourselves to meet the dynamic students and address their multiple intelligences. Experiential learning, flipped classrooms, blended learning, innovative lesson planning, creative teaching resources, etc. We have been extremely successful in our endeavors to introduce and impart quality education in school. I definitely feel this is the time to show all our gratitude and hearty thanks to the school management for making our dreams come true. All of us have definitely come a long way and have many milestones to cross, many more successes to be achieved. Thank you.
We are really very thankful to you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. Friends, Words are words until you understand their meaning. And who better to give us the knowledge to understand than Senior IPS Officer Sri Ajay Pal Sharma, our chief guest. Sir has sent us his best wishes for this event. Can we have the message of Sri Ajay Pal Sharma addressed for the viewers?
This 15th annual day celebration of Star Public School, I congratulate Honorable Principal Mr. Dilip Kumar and of course Shubhangi ma'am, who asked me to record this message for the students. For students, I would like to pay best wishes and their best future in the education as well as their personal lives. यहाँ पे मैं जस्ट ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इस लाइफ में अपने आप को मोटिवेशन रखना, अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है और नोबडी कैन नो यू बेटर देन योरसेल्फ। आपको अपनी वीकनेस और स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में जितनी अच्छी तरह से जानकारी है, उतनी अच्छी जानकारी किसी और को आपके बारे में नहीं हो सकती। इसलिए आपको ये अच्छी तरह से पता है कि आपको किन कमजोरियों पे काम करना है और कौन सी ऐसी स्ट्रेंथ है जिसका फायदा उठा करके आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। और इसमें साथ ही साथ इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपका अपनी ज़िंदगी के प्रति एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड हो और लोगों के प्रति एक हेल्पिंग नेचर हो। और एक जनरल लाइफ के लिए चीज़ें कही जाती हैं कि यहाँ दो चीज़ें रहती हैं, एक शिक्षा और एक दीक्षा। जनरली जो शिक्षा को मेंटेन रख पाते हैं वो दीक्षा को मेंटेन नहीं रख पाते, जहाँ पे सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ की पैदा होती हैं। इसलिए जो हमें दीक्षा में जो हमें संस्कार, जो हमारा कल्चर है, जो हमारे एथिक्स है, मोरल वैल्यूज़ हैं, उनको मेंटेन रखते हुए अपनी लाइफ के प्रति आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। इसमें ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि एक लाइफ को एक सिंप्लिसिटी, एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, एक हाई थिंकिंग अपने आप को मेंटेन रखी जाए। मैं सभी के लिए आई वुड प्रे।
Thank you very much, sir, for your precious thoughts. We are indeed lucky that you have been able to provide us with your precious time. Now we bring a magical dance performance on gospel song. You might be knowing that gospel songs are sung mainly by the Christians, which make them self-aware and more connected to their spirituality. Most of the gospel songs tell that God is always there to listen and to help us. So let us all pray to God to be with us in every moment of our life. Please welcome the students of Star Public School for the next magical dance performance.
To love
such an exemplary performance. Friends, the year 2020 has witnessed hardship faced by COVID-19. While on the one hand, people across the country and around the globe were largely confined to their homes, with everything shut down in an attempt to contain the virus. And on the other hand, doctors, healthcare workers, medical staff, government officials, police, army, and many more have been risking their lives to save the people from this deadly virus. Star Public School, as on today, from all the teachers, students, and staff members, pay homage to all the people who sacrificed their lives by this deadly virus and appreciate the frontline warriors for their all efforts in saving the humanity. So to add on to today's event, Tiny Kids are here to pay tribute to all those frontline warriors for their selfless support to save the humanity. So please welcome our next performing group on the stage.
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
Thank you, children, for your alluring and flawless performance. Dear audience, we feel privileged to invite Sir Pradeep Purohit, the chairman of school, to take on the dais and to render his valuable message to us. Sir has been a source of constant support for all of us, so here we are with his words of encouragement and motivation.
My dear children, parents, dignitaries who has joined us today on this event, IPS Ajay Pal Sarma for giving his time and being with us on this event, Sri Tushar Bhajanka ji for being with us and to give away the awards to students and teachers. I take this opportunity to convey my warmest greetings to you, to welcome you all to our annual day program today. This year has been entirely different due to the pandemic situation that has hit us. The entire way of living has changed during this course of time, and the way we teach and the way students learn have also changed in the course. The deadly pandemic too could not deter our teachers and our students in continuing with their studies and in continuing with their learning process. I congratulate the teaching staff who during these difficult times also have been continuously trying to upgrade their skills while giving out their education to the students without being in contact, without being in physical contact with them, sitting at different place. All the students have been studying, and we have been using all the media possible to make sure that even though we are not at one place, we make sure that we are as if sitting in front of each other and learning. A child studying with us is in effect getting access to all the programs that are available to any other school elsewhere, and during this pandemic time this has become even more relevant, because even the schools which are available in the cities were not having access to physical facilities, and they were all equivalent to us, like we were having access online. All the other schools were also having access online. Our motto is not only to make children excel in academics. That is very important aspect indeed, but we focus on all-round development of students. Although during this pandemic time there have been certain things which took backstage, like the physical activities or the sports activities where a lot of students need to come together and play around, but we tried our best from the school fraternity to keep them busy with whatever best activities that we can make them busy with at their respective places, at their homes. I'm also very happy to share with you the new name of the school, that is Star Public School, and that has been approved by CBSE, and we are going to use our new school name henceforth, and that is Star Public School. My heartiest thanks to the school fraternity, teachers, non-teaching staff, vice principal, principal, manager Neetu madam. With the ceaseless efforts of parents, students and teachers and principal, I'm sure we would be able to establish as a premier institution of learning, providing international quality education, being aware of the fact that with the changing times, radical changes are needed in the field of education, and in time to come, more and more of online education will take center stage. I'm very happy to observe and to see that our school have not left a stone unturned in this direction. We have been keeping pace with the changes that has taken place during this period of time, and in the same course, even this year's annual function is being organized on virtual mode, and students are participating in different batches. I congratulate you all. Thank you very much for having me here. I am honored. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind and inspiring words. Now let us all get ready to relish our next performance, which is a freestyle dance. Freestyle is a way of dancing in which a dancer improvises the moves on the spot instead of having planned beforehand. We feel immensely proud to present the students of class 1 and 2 to make us move on the beats with a powerful performance. So let's get started to witness their magical artistry on the floor.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada. It's a new generation. It's worldwide. Of party people. Get on the floor, daddy. Red one. Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, the truth. I'm like Inception, I look at your brains, I'm sleep on snooze. I don't play no games, don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Yeah.
That was indeed a fiery presentation by the young dancers worth watching groove on the beats. After all these enthusiastic performances, let's set our minds towards acquiring knowledge through the following presentation of exhibition in related to our mainstream subjects of mathematics, science and social science. These are the core subjects which we all had studied and will continue to study. So we are here to appreciate the efforts of students and teachers who had toiled hard for presenting unique exhibition of talent and innovative ideas. So let's applaud and watch the presentation.
Everyone, my name is Kriti Singh and I am going to show you some math. So let's see. Here we can see the moat walls are inside the water. So now I'm going to add this solution to this. So here you can observe that the moat walls had came upside and they are dancing. How this magic happened? How this magic happened? Let me explain. The reason behind that is this water contains acetic acid and the water that I added to this was a solution of baking soda with water. When I added this baking soda solution to this acetic acid solution, so here we can see the moat walls are dancing. This is because when we added this solution to this, it releases CO2 gas. The bubbles that we can observe here are CO2 gases. Because CO2 gases decreases its density and the moat walls causes low density, just because of that it comes at the surface of the water and started dancing. Hope you understood this experiment. Thank you.
I'm going to show one biology experiment. So for that, we will need some bananas, some water, dish soap, some salt, and alcohol. So first of all, we will make one reagent. So for that, we will need some dish soap, and some salt. And we will mix this. And next, we will peel this banana. And put this into this packet. And this reagent in plastic tube. And we will mix this banana and milk. So after mixing this, we will put this mixture into this teacup. And we will mix this alcohol into this mixture. And we will wait for 5 minutes, and we can, after 5 minutes, we can see the DNA here. So after 5 minutes, we can see the extracted DNA on the upper surface of this water. So with the help of this forceps, we will extract the DNA. So you can see the extracted DNA here. So this is how you can extract it.
Name is Yuvraj Basmata.
And my name is Naitik Singh. And my name is Bappa Das. We read in class 6 and today we are going to make our science project Fire on Ice. Now Yuvraj and Bappa make solution.
First, we have to take a plastic container. Then we have to add some gel sanitizer. Then we have to add some nail polish. Then we have to add some liquid sanitizer. Then we have to add some more sanitizer. Then we have to mix it. Now our formula is ready. Now we have to taste the solution. We have to keep the ice. Now we have to keep our solution. Now we have to fire it. You see that the ice is on. In ice, the fire is on. You can see that in ice it can fire. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nizam Sinha. Here is the math machine model. Through this model we are learning addition, subtraction, multiplication. Let me show you. 2 into 4 is equal to 8.
Glorious and dedicated students. Dear audience, to hone the latent creative abilities in each budding artist of Star Public School, an art exhibition was organized. The children created an intriguing array of painting depicting landscape, season, nature, and current pandemic situation. The exhibition was organized to allow each student to achieve the freedom of creating an artistic voice of their own. So here we present a glimpse of the fascinating and distinctive images of impressive art exhibition.
Good morning to one and all. I, Piyush Biswakarma,
and I, Shravan Kumar,
on behalf of CMC Vidya School Art Department, we welcome you all in this Student Art Exhibition 2020. So, as we all know, due to this pandemic situation, we are not able to attend our school. And due to this pandemic situation, we have organized our Student Art Exhibition 2020 virtually. So, I am going to show you all students' artwork. So, here we begin with class 1. As you all can see, in this class 1, the students have done collage work, origami work with some colors mismatch, and paper cutting work, and some balloons, candles. They have colored all this, and as we can see, how the imagination of a student goes on a piece of paper.
now we come to class 2 board. Here we can see collage work, paper squeezing work, and we can also see some painting and etc. etc.
So, here we with class 3. Here we have some pencil-based work and some glittering work and some creativity of students and some card cutting and pasting work of monkey.
Now we come to class 4 board. Here we can see cutting, pasting work, jute work, and we can also see analogy.
Here also we can see jute work and some glittering work, and these are some old-fashioned drawings of mummy. As we know that Egyptians, how they used to draw on a wall. So here are some replicas of those drawings. So the fun point in this whole artwork is this. As we can see, you have all noticed that how this is made. This is made from wool and thread.
In class 6 board, we can see water paintings, sketching works, and different paintings by using crayons, colors, and etc.
Here we are with class 7. So here we have some creativity on a piece of sheet. Here the designing work. Here also designing work, sketch work, and coloring work.
In class 8 board, you can see sketchings, different type of, and painting work using crayons, colors.
So here we are with a big trouble issue based on current topics. So in this world, what we have? We have global warming, pollution, and water pollution, land pollution, air pollution. So here the students of our school represented all those situations what our earth faced in this global warming situation. So here we have some water saving work, plant saving work, and some energy saving work.
After this wonderful presentation, it's time to have some encouraging word from Shri S.P. Shrimaliji, Unit Head SCL. Sir has taken out time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. May we now have some words of blessings from Shri S.P. Shrimaliji.
Good morning, dear children and parents. Today's special guest, Dr. Ajaypal Sharma, the Senior IPS Officer, Principal School, Chairman, School Managing Committee, the Manager School Managing Committee, and dear teachers. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for having this new Star Public School. Congratulate and thank you all for having this new smart name before us. My message today to everyone is focus on the changes required. We are living in time where we need to update it and we have to move with the pace of fastest growing changes. We live in time of exponential changes. It seems everything is changing quickly. I am sure Star Public School will equip itself to meet the children's need at this changing time. The pandemic stricken time has taught us how to adapt with the times and how to changes themselves from offline to online, from hand holding to screen sharing, from notebook to screenshot, from conventional to tactical. Similarly, many more changes being adopted. It is understood that the journey and to overcome the obstacle has never been a cakewalk, but never to give up is embodied by teachers, and yes, the journey went on. On this special occasion of 15th Annual Day functions, I congratulate the entire school team for their continuous effort and the adoption of changes and to teach the children to grapple with the problems of their generation, their society and the world. I am very happy to see that the school is making progress in all spheres of student life. I congratulate the entire school fraternity for doing the gallant job during this pandemic time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious words of encouragement. We are indeed lucky that you have been able to provide us with your precious time. Let us move on to our next performance, which is an English song titled 500 Miles. The song was made popular in the United States and Europe during the 1960s folk revival. The song is generally credited to have been written by Hedy West. This song is a tribute to the laborers all over the country who had to return home because of the pandemic in spite of being far away from home, out of money, and too ashamed to return. So we heartily welcome the next performers to the stage, 500 Miles.
You can hear the whistle
for that hope-filled song, and we wish that your message of hope will reach the laborers around the country and fill them with a sense of hope. Now, a bit about Jaintia plate dance, or the Chhat Playang, as it is locally called, is a traditional dance performance by the tribes of Meghalaya prevalent in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. I hope that you will enjoy a bit of this local cultural heritage presented by students of our school.
Thank you, students, for that wonderful performance.
Dear viewers, on 12th of May, 2020, PM Narendra Modi, with the goal of boosting productivity within India, launched a promising scheme, the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Atmanirbhar Bharat, which translates to self-reliant India or self-sufficient India, is a policy formulated by Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, for making India a bigger and more important part of the global economy. Pursuing policies that are efficient, competitive, and resilient, and being self-sustaining and self-generating. Atmanirbhar Bharat doesn't mean self-containment, isolating away from the world, or being protectionist. Let us first hear a message given by the PM on the day of its launch, to be given by one of our students. Then a follow-up to the speech is a dance drama fusion which will be performed by our students. Please stay tuned in for this performance.
कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी के बीच 130 करोड़ भारतीयों ने संकल्प लिया, संकल्प आत्मनिर्भर बनने का। और आत्मनिर्भर भारत आज हर हिंदुस्तान के मन मस्तिष्क में छाया हुआ है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत ये सपना संकल्प में परिवर्तित देख रहे हैं। आत्मनिर्भर भारत ये एक प्रकार से शब्द नहीं, ये आज 130 करोड़ देशवासियों के लिए मंत्र बन गया है।
क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ सर मैं आपकी?
नो, आई कैन हेल्प माई सेल्फ, थैंक यू।
सर आप जिस बारीकी से चीज़ें देख रहे हैं मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपकी मदद कर दूँ। सर हमारे स्कूल में सभी चीज़ें ब्रांडेड मिलती हैं, आप आँख मूंद कर ले जाइए, हम पर भरोसा रखें सर।
ब्रांडेड समझ कर ले गई हुई वो सारी चीज़ें जो हमारे घर की शोभा बढ़ाती हैं, मेरे ख्याल से तो सारी फालतू ही है।
सर मैं कुछ समझी नहीं।
यही तो परेशानी है, कोई समझता है और अफसोस कि समझ के बाहर भी नहीं।
सर सॉरी टू से, लेकिन आप जो कह रहे हैं वो मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है।
आज की जनरेशन की यही बात है। खैर कोई बात नहीं, हम ज़्यादा नहीं, हम 350-400 साल फ्लैश बैक करते। तब ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ थी जो भारत में लाई जाती थी और हमारे पूर्वज हमारे घर की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए बड़ी शान से जिसका इस्तेमाल करते थे?
सर मेरे ख्याल से ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है।
तो बस आज ऐसी कौन सी जरूरत आन पड़ी है कि हमारे घर को अच्छा दिखाने के लिए चीन, जापान, अमेरिका जैसे देशों की चीज़ें अपनाकर घर का डेकोरेशन करते हैं? या फिर ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो हमारे भारत में नहीं बनती? बोलो।
सर मेरे ख्याल से हमारे भारत में ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं हो जो बनाई ना जाती हो सर।
That's it. तो क्यों ना हम फिर से वही दौर चलाएं, भारत में ही बनने वाली चीज़ों का हम भारतीय बड़ी शान और शौकत से इस्तेमाल करें, ताकि भारत का पैसा भारत में ही रहे। और मैं तो यहाँ तक सोचता हूँ कि हमारे देश की बनाई हुई वो सारी चीज़ें उन देशों में भेजें और वहाँ का धन हमारे देश में।
सर आप बुरा ना माने तो मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ।
क्या?
शायद आप आत्मनिर्भर की बात कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल।
सर आत्मनिर्भर बनना इतना आसान नहीं है जितना कि आप समझ रहे हैं।
क्यों?
क्योंकि सर दिल से लेकर दिमाग तक बैठ गया हो वो चीज़ें हटाना इतना आसान नहीं है।
दिमाग से लेकर दिल तक बिठाया तो हमने ही है ना। हमारी संस्कृति भुलाकर विदेशी चीज़ों को हमने दिल में रखा, तो उसी तरह उसको निकाल कर फेंक दो।
नामुमकिन है सर।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, मान ली तुम्हारी बात। जिस तरह एक व्यसनी आदमी अपना व्यसन छोड़ना चाहे तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके वो अपना व्यसन छोड़ सकता है, उसी तरह ये व्यसन ही तो है। छोड़ दीजिए। जैसे आपके पास चाइना मोबाइल है और जब आपको लगता है कि मुझे हैंडसेट बदलना है तो मेड इन भारत का हैंडसेट ले लीजिए।
ये तरीका सही है सर।
बिल्कुल, और ऐसे ही हम आत्मनिर्भर बन सकते हैं। और हाँ, आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब सर।
जी सर।
और आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि देशी विदेशी कंपनियों के देश बताकर जबरदस्ती देसी चीजें खरीदते हैं। इसका मतलब है ऐसा देसी ब्रांड खड़ा करना है कि लोग स्वयं अपनी पसंद से उसकी खरीदारी शुरू करें।
सही है सर।
आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम चीन के सामान का आयात बंद कर दें। इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारा खुद का माल इतना सस्ता और अच्छा हो कि चीन के माल को छोड़कर लोग स्वयं ही उसे खरीदें। आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आईफोन छोड़कर हम लावा फोन का इस्तेमाल शुरू करें। इसका मतलब ये है कि आईफोन जैसे ही निर्माण करने की क्षमता हमें विकसित करनी है। और हाँ, राड़ों फेंककर हमें टाइटन घड़ी नहीं लगा लेनी है। इसका मतलब ये है कि राड़ों के समांतर घड़ी बनाने की क्षमता हमें विकसित करनी है। आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब स्वदेशी खरीदारी भी नहीं है। इसका मतलब देश और दुनिया को जिन वस्तुओं, जिन क्वालिटी की आवश्यकता है, उन वस्तुओं, उन क्वालिटी को हमारे देश में बनाने की क्षमता विकसित करनी है। आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब देश और दुनिया में गिड़-गिड़ा कर अपना माल बेचना नहीं है। इसका मतलब यह है कि हमारी क्वालिटी और ब्रांडिंग इस स्तर की होनी चाहिए कि लोग बाय चॉइस उसे खरीद सकें। आत्मनिर्भर का मजाक उड़ाना स्वयं अपने वजूद और अपने देश का मजाक उड़ाना है। आत्मनिर्भर होना हर व्यक्ति, समाज और राष्ट्र का स्वप्न होना चाहिए।
That's good. आपकी बात 110% सही है सर, और हमें यही करना चाहिए। और आत्मनिर्भर का सही मतलब हमें समझना चाहिए।
Thank you.
Thank you for this wonderful performance. Dear friends, mine is a simple but one of the most effective way of passing on a message without the slightest of a sound. Nature in all its glory was created to give man ample opportunities to grow. But because of our greed, we tend to go beyond what is necessary for our survival and tend to have an urge to get that extravagant. A simple example of such untoward action, which has caused great pains to the whole world and its populace, is the COVID-19 pandemic, which we are still fighting against till date with no end in sight. Now, to give a glimpse of the hardship faced at the peak of COVID-19 pandemic and in our country, the way in which we coped up with all its present by following a mime play.
Thank you, students, for the wonderful play. Teachers and students of Star Public School have proved their talent time and again in all streams. Now it's time to acknowledge the talent and hard work of our students and teaching and non-teaching faculty members by beginning the prize distribution ceremony. I humbly request our Honorable Principal, Sir K. Dilip Kumar, to accompany our special guest, Shri Tushar Bhajankar ji to grace the occasion and to give away the prizes.
1 hour of what we hope to celebrate enough for sincere education for non-living staff.
Thank you, sir. This was all for the award ceremony. Many congratulations to all the achievers. Friends, we all know that doctors, nurses, the whole medical field are the only ones capable of curing us of various ailments, besides the miracle of God, the creator of all beings, whether good or bad. As such, we firmly believe that they are the avatars of various gods and goddesses who have come down to the earth in a moment of pain to help us ease such pains and suffering by offering their love and expertise to help us cure this disease. We have a portrayal of COVID-19 warriors in the avatars of different gods and goddesses who helped us during these trying times. We shall now have our performers enthrall you with one such play.
Thank you for that amazing play and tribute for all the coronavirus.
Now we are going to share a message by Sri Tejveer Singh, Administrator, Star Cement.
Greeting to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to share my thoughts on this important moment for celebrating our 15th annual day. This celebration highlights our school's continuous success in the area of education. Today, children are the future of our state as well as our country. Brilliant faces that have received awards and exhibiting their talents will grow up and definitely will be the citizen of our beloved nation tomorrow. We are very fortunate to have such teachers, trainers and instructors who recognize the talents of our dear students and draw the potential out of each of them. With the ongoing pandemic, it has been difficult in every aspect, but I salute to all the faculties for trying to reach out to all the students and guiding them throughout the year. May 2021 be a prosperous year for all the students. Wishing everyone a joyful Merry Christmas and a peace-filled New Year. Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you for that message of encouragement. Now we have another message from the Resident Director, Star Cement, Sri Devendra Bansal.
Good morning, all of you. Chairman of the school, Mr. Purohit ji, Shirimali ji, Mrs. Neetu Bansal, Principal of the school, Dilip ji, and all Vice Principal of the school, Madam Vidya Singh, and all the respected teachers and dear students. First of all, congratulations to all of you for the 15th annual function, which is now I think first time it is virtual. So even though we are celebrating, it's a good thing, it's a good initiative by the school, and I wish all the best to the principal and all the school teachers who has done a lot of effort to organize this function. Second, again congratulations for the name of the school, which is changed from CMCL Vidya Bharati School to Star Public School. So it's also again new face, new name of the school. So many congratulations to all of you students for the same. In this pandemic, the main thing which was going on and which was not disturbed was education. All work was hampered, industries are hampered, workers were hampered, a lot of work was disturbed, but education somehow as new concept, however it was going on online, but it was little bit, might be 5%, 10%, but now it has come in a big way. Due to this pandemic, online education has entered into our system in a big way. So in future might be there will be less problem, and our school is also was a part of online education in a greater way with the great effort by Dilip ji, principal of the school. So and our school has also come with the second position in Meghalaya in education world. So that is also great. Many congratulations to all school principal and teachers. So I wish all the best. Our school is doing very well in number of ways, number of programs we are doing, number of participating in each and every competition. I saw a lot of effort is done by children. Somebody is coming first, second, third in number of events. So I can't recognize. So wish you all the best, all the children. By this way we are coming, we hope we are coming in a big way in the school education also. We may be Meghalaya will be number one, or in coming time our vision is to come first in the northeast, or may be there is a good scope. So with for this function also all the teachers has put all their big effort, and they are continuously supporting to the principal also and doing very well. And children education thing also has come up, our strength has also increased. So I wish all the best to all school fraternity in our plant, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful message of wisdom. Garba is a Gujarati folk dance celebrated in Navratri, a celebration lasting 9 nights. Garba song typically revolves around the subject of 9 goddesses. Garba styles vary from place to place in Gujarat. Now, a group of students are going to perform Garba dance.
2, 1.
Thank you, students, for this exemplary performance. Now, before the closure of our function, I request all the viewers to stay tuned in during this session. The national anthem will be played right after the vote of thanks. I now call upon Madam Vidya Singh to give us the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, School Manager, teachers, and our dear parents. It's my honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks on this august occasion. John F. Kennedy had rightly said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. On behalf of Star Public School, I would like to thank our chief guest for the day, Senior IPS Officer Mr. Ajay Pal Sharma, who with his valuable message inspired and ignited a sense of self-discipline on the young minds. I would like to thank our school chairman Mr. Pradeep Purohit, unit head Sri S.P. Shrimali, CMO sir Mr. G.M. Krishna, Tejbir Singh sir, and our very own the resident director Mr. Devendra Bansal and school manager Mrs. Neetu Bansal for their continuous support and valuable inputs. Principal sir, my hearty congratulations for this year's successful annual day. As you presented in your annual school report, this year is special for us. You as a guide led us to a lot of victories. Your dedication, perseverance always inspire us. We are blessed to have a leader like you. On behalf of the whole school, I thank you for your uplifting leadership and work ethics. I'd also like to thank the students' community and volunteers. This event would never have been possible without your precious contribution and direst efforts. My sincere thanks to the teachers and especially the IT team who worked day and night for this event. Thank you, friends. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our unsung heroes, the support staff. My apology if anybody is left. Finally, I will leave you all with this inspiring Sanskrit shlok. Kimatra bahunoktin shastra koti shatena cha durlabha chitta vishranti vina guru kripa parama. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे